Hello once again all my viewers. This video is for the aspirants of TGT English exam which is going to be conducted by HSSC in this month. Many of you requested me to make a video on literature portion, particularly on novel. I have already made a video on short stories which is liked by all of you. Firstly, some of the candidates requested me to give the syllabus. Shinu Mehta asked me syllabus. So your syllabus consists of 3 pages. You can take a screenshot of it. Okay. Then page number, this is page number 2. Okay. On page number 2, okay, literature portion is given, and you have observed that in literature portion short story, novel and poetry is written. Okay, so today's video is on novel. Okay, this is page number 3. You can take a screenshot of it. Moreover, you can download syllabus given by HSC. Okay, it is available on website of HSC. Okay, so without wasting time, let's enjoy today's video, most important MCQs on novel. A lot of thanks to Dinesh, Ohlan, Neetu, Hartiwal, Seema Arora, Premlata. All of you had requested me to make a video on novel. Okay, so your video is ready now. Let's enjoy 32 MCQ questions on novel. Your answers are given at the end. Okay. First question is, in which century was novel emerged as the most enduring and outstanding form of literature in England? First option is 16th century, second option is 17th century, third option is 18th century, and fourth option is 19th century. Fifth option E is given. If you don't want to answer it, you can mark your answer to escape negative marking. So answer of this question is 18th century. So 18th century is known for the rise of novel in England. नोवेल है वो 18वीं शताब्दी के अंदर है, वो इंग्लैंड के अंदर लिखा जाना शुरू हुआ. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Question number 2. Which of the following factors did play an important role in the rise of novel in the 18th century in England? कौन से वो फैक्टर्स थे जिसके कारण से नोवेल का, उपन्यास का 18th सेंचुरी के अंदर इंग्लैंड के अंदर उदय हुआ? फर्स्ट इज द राइज ऑफ मिडिल क्लास, सेकंड इज डिक्लाइन ऑफ ड्रामा इन 18th सेंचुरी, थर्ड ऑप्शन इज नोवेल डेल्ट विद एवरीडे social and moral problem of the day, fourth is leisure enjoyed by the women in the 18th century. Now analyze the above options and answer which of the reasons are correct. So 4 reasons are given for the rise of novel in England. Now you have to tell which of 4 options are correct. Only one is correct. B is only 1 and 2 are correct. C is 1, 2 and 3 are correct. D is R4 are correct, and E, fifth option is there if you want to leave the question to escape negative marking. Now answer of this question is D. All 4 are correct. Okay, so above all 4 reasons are 4 factors are there which are responsible for the rise of novel. 4 जो कारण थे जिसके कारण से 18th सेंचुरी के अंदर इंग्लैंड के अंदर नोवेल का जन्म हुआ, वो 4 फैक्टर थे. राइज ऑफ मिडिल क्लास की मध्य युग है, मध्यम वर्ग का जन्म हुआ. डिक्लाइन ऑफ ड्रामा इन 18th सेंचुरी, ड्रामा है उसका पतन होना शुरू हो गया था. नावल डेल्ट विद एवरीडे सोशल एंड मॉरल प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ द डे, और नावल है वो हर रोज़ की जो समस्याएं थी, सामाजिक मुद्दे थे, उनको उठा रहा था. एंड लेजर इंजॉयड बाय वीमेन इन 18th सेंचुरी, और जो औरतें थी उनके पास फालतू समय था नॉवेल्स को पढ़ने के लिए. नाउ डी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट हियर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. हु आर कॉल्ड फोर व्हील्स ऑफ नॉवल इन 18th सेंचुरी इन इंग्लैंड. इंग्लैंड के अंदर जो फोर व्हील्स ऑफ नॉवल हैं वो किन्हें बोला गया है. ओके, फोर व्हील्स ऑफ नॉवल, जिन्होंने नॉवल को आगे चढ़ाया. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज सैमुअल रिचर्डसन. ओके, बर्थ इज गिवन 1689 to 1761, and Henry Fielding 1707 and 1754. Second option is Lawrence Sterne 1713 to 1768, and Tobias Smollett 1721 to 1771. C is both A and B, and D is Daniel Defoe and Daniel Defoe, Samuel Richardson, Henry Fielding, and Ephra Behn. Okay, now you must remember four wheels of novels in 18th century England are Samuel Richardson first, Henry Fielding second, Lawrence Sterne third, and Tobias Smollett fourth. So here in this question C option is correct. Okay, C option is correct, क्योंकि फर्स्ट में जो आपका सैमुअल रिचर्डसन और हेनरी फील्डिंग दिया हुआ है, बी ऑप्शन के अंदर लॉरेंस स्टर्न एंड टोबियस स्मॉलेट दिया हुआ है, तो ये हैं फोर व्हील्स ऑफ नॉवल in 18th century England. Now question number 4. These are very important question, whether you are appearing in TGT or PGT, but I have kept TGT student in mind. These are very basic questions. Now this is the most important question. Who wrote Pamela or Virtue Rewarded? Okay, this novel was written in 1740. This novel is considered first important novel in England. तो इसका जो सब टाइटल भी पूछ लिया जाता है, इसका सब टाइटल के ऊपर मैं पहले भी वीडियो बना चुका हूँ. आप सभी जो फेमस वर्क्स हैं उनके सब टाइटल्स की वीडियो देख सकते हो, जो कि मेरे चैनल इजी इंग्लिश एनसीईआरटी लर्निंग विद छिंदरपाल जो प्लेलिस्ट है उसके अंदर टीजीटी पीजीटी और यूजीसी नेट के स्टूडेंट के लिए जो है वीडियो बने हुए हैं, उसमें ये डाला हुआ है सब टाइटल्स, इंपॉर्टेंट सब टाइटल्स ऑफ डिफरेंट फेमस वर्क्स. Who wrote Pamela or Virtue Rewarded? Samuel Richardson, Henry Fielding, Lawrence Sterne, Tobias Smollett. So this work is written by Samuel Richardson. A option is correct here. So in fourth, A first answer is correct. Now question number 5. Virtue Rewarded or Pamela by Samuel Richardson is a or an novel. जो पेमिला या वर्चू रिवॉर्डेड है जो कि सैमुअल रिचर्डसन ने लिखा है, वो किस तरह का नावल है? हिस्टोरिकल नावल, एपिस्टलरी नावल, गोथिक नावल और स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस नावल. तो ये नावल की 4 टाइप्स दी हुई हैं. हिस्टोरिकल नावल वॉज पॉपुलराइज्ड बाय वॉल्टर स्कॉट. वॉल्टर स्कॉट ने इसको पॉपुलर किया था. एपिस्टलरी नावल वॉज पॉपुलराइज्ड बाय सैमुअल रिचर्डसन. ओके, गोथिक नावल वर written to terrorize the readers. Okay, and stream of consciousness novel were written by Virginia Woolf and James Joyce. These are modern novelists. So here Pamela or Virtue Rewarded is B. Okay, B epistolary novel, a novel written in the form of letter. ये भी आपसे पूछा जा सकता है what type of novel is epistolary novel. Okay, so answer will be a novel written in the form of letters. So in fifth question, B option is correct. Now question number 6. Who wrote the novel Joseph Andrew? Joseph Andrew novels जो कि 1742 के अंदर लिखा गया था, इसको किसने लिखा था? फर्स्ट इज सैमुअल रिचर्डसन. ओके, सैमुअल रिचर्डसन इज फेमस फॉर Pamela or Virtue Rewarded. Okay, and this novel was written in 1740. Okay, ये याद रखना, this is very important and many times this question has been asked in different exams. Henry Fielding C is Lawrence Stern, D is Tobias Smollett. Okay, so Joseph Andrew, it was in my syllabus when I was doing my post graduation in 1999. Okay, in 1997 to 1999 in Department of KUK. Okay, this novel was there in our syllabus. Joseph Andrew is written by Henry Fielding. Now B option is correct here. Now question number 7. Henry Fielding's Joseph Andrew is a parody of, okay, parody of, A option is Pamela or Virtue Rewarded, B is Tom Jones, C option is Tristram Shandy, and D is Clarissa. Okay, Henry Fielding's Joseph Andrew is a parody of Pamela or Virtue Rewarded, which was published in 1740. Okay, Henry Fielding made a fun of this novel in his novel Joseph Andrew. Now in this question, A option is correct. Okay, answers are given. I want to show you the answers. Okay, I will not slide it. Okay, slide it down because it will take more time. Okay, options are given in question number 6th, in question number 7th. Okay, you can see question number 7, Pamela or Virtue Rewarded is just a parody of Joseph Andrew is a parody of Pamela or Virtue Rewarded. Okay, 7th, A option is correct here. Now question number 7, Henry Fielding's Joseph Andrew is, question number 7, Henry Fielding's, okay, that we have done. Question number 8, now let's take question number 8. Who wrote the novels like Roderick Random, Peregrine Pickle, and Expedition of Humphrey Clinker? Okay, these novels were also famous in 18th century. Okay, publication years of publication also are given in brackets. Remember their publication year. These can be asked. Okay, questions can be asked in any way. First option is Samuel Richardson, B option is Henry Fielding, Jane Austen, and D option is Tobias Smollett. Okay, so remember Roderick Random, Peregrine Pickle, and Expedition of Humphrey Clinker are written by Tobias Smollett. Okay, D option is correct and E is given if you want to leave the answer. Now question number 9. Name the 18th century novelist who wrote The Life and Opinion of Tristram Shandy. Okay, written from 1760 to 1767, and A Sentimental Journey, which was written in 1768. Options are like this: William Goodwin, B is Lawrence Stern, C is Jane Austen, and D is Tobias Smollett. Okay, so whenever you are preparing for TGT exam, okay, you have to remember the novel episodic in nature, dealing with the adventures of a rogue undertaking a journey through a countryside, criticizing the manners and hypocrisy of the contemporary society, is called AON. Picaresque novel, epistolary novel, gothic novel, or stream of consciousness novel. Okay, now question number 10 is definition of a picaresque novel. Picaresque novel is a novel in which our main protagonist goes on a journey through a countryside, and main action of the novel takes place during this journey, and the novelist gets a chance to expose the hypocrisy of the priest or the rich people. तो ये पिकारेस्क नावल की डेफिनेशन है कि जो हमारा हीरो होता है वो एडवेंचरस जर्नी पर जाता है, और वो कंट्री साइड से जब गुजरता है तो उसके साथ बहुत कुछ घटित होता है, इंसिडेंट होते हैं, और राइटर को इस दौरान जो हिपोक्रेसी होती है लोगों की, उसको एक्सपोज करने का मौका मिलता है. दिस नॉवल इज ऑफन इज सटायर ऑन दी सोसाइटी. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. A is the correct answer. Epistolary novel, I have already told you, is a novel which is written in the form of letters. Gothic novels are those novels which were written to just terrorize the readers, and stream of consciousness became famous in the modern age, and famous authors of writing stream of consciousness novel were Virginia Woolf and James Joyce. Now question number 11. Who used the term a comic epic in prose for his novels Joseph Andrew and Tom Jones? Okay, Tom Jones came in 1749. Tom Jones है वो 1749 के अंदर है वो आया था. Yes. Comic epic in prose. Okay. This term was popularized by Henry Fielding in his novel Joseph Andrew. Joseph Andrew के अंदर ये term यूज की थी. ठीक है, हेनरी फील्डिंग ने. सो बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट हियर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Who created the famous characters like Parson Adam, Joseph Andrew, Fanny, Lady Booby and Mrs. Lipslop? तो ये जो करेक्टर्स हैं वो कौन सी नॉवल के अंदर हैं? फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज सैमुअल रिचर्डसन, सेकंड इज हेनरी फील्डिंग, थर्ड इज लॉरेंस टर्न एंड फोर्थ इज Tobias Smollett. Okay, actually characters like Parson Adam, Joseph Andrew, Henry Fielding, Lady Booby and Mrs. Lipslop are there in Henry Fielding's Joseph Andrew. Okay, Joseph Andrew के characters हैं ये. Question so B option is correct in question number 12. Now question number 13. Who wrote Sense and Sensibility in 1811, Pride and Prejudice in 1813, Mansfield Park in 1814, Emma in 1816 and Northanger Abbey? तो हमने 18th सेंचुरी को थोड़ा कवर किया है. नाउ रोमांटिक एज की तरफ जा रहे हैं. रोमांटिक एज के जो नॉवलिस्ट होंगे जेन एस्टन, वॉल्टर स्कॉट होंगे फेमस, विलियम गुडविन होंगे. ठीक है, उनके ऊपर क्वेश्चंस आएंगे आगे. सो वॉल्टर स्कॉट, जेन एस्टन, ऑप्शंस आर गिवन. जॉर्ज इलियट, मैरी एन इवांस. ओके, पेन नेम ऑफ जॉर्ज इलियट वाज मैरी एन इवॉन. ओके, दिस क्वेश्चन कैन कम इन एग्जाम. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. ओके, विलियम थैक्रे. सो मैंसफील्ड पार्क, ईमा, नॉर्थएंगर एबे, प्राइड एंड प्रेजुडिस, Sense and Sensibility, these novels were written by Jane Austen. And Jane Austen, remember, she wrote Comedy of Manners. Okay, Jane Austen is famous for writing Comedy of Manners. B option is correct here. Now question number 14. Who is often considered as a historical novelist in England? तो historical novelist के नाम से कौन फेमस है? First option is Walter Scott, second is Jane Austen, third option is George Orwell and fourth option is William Thackeray. Okay, William Thackeray. So historical novelist in romantic age was Walter Scott. Okay, Walter Scott was born in 1771 and he died in 1882. Okay, A option is correct. Remember, Walter Scott wrote different historical novels. Okay, like The Heart of Midlothian. Okay, In Hoy. Okay, In Hoy. Remember these novels. Now question number 15. Who wrote Wuthering Heights? Wuthering Heights है वो किसने लिखा है? Remember, Wuthering Heights came in 1847. 1847. This year is very important so far as novels are concerned. So far as I remember, 3 novels came in this year. 3 नॉवल फेमस नॉवल आए हैं इसके अंदर. फर्स्ट नॉवल वुदरिंग हाइट, सेकंड नॉवल जेन इर. ओके, जेन इर इज रिटन बाय चार्लोटी ब्रोंटे एंड थर्ड नॉवल वैनिटी फेयर. वैनिटी फेयर इज रिटन बाय थैकरे. तो तीनों ही नॉवल 1847 के अंदर आए हैं. वुदरिंग हाइट इज ओनली नॉवल रिटन बाय एमिली ब्रोंटे। एमिली ब्रोंटे का नॉवल है ये, ओके, जिसके अंदर मेन करेक्टर है हेथक्लिफ, ओके, हेथक्लिफ। इट इज ए नॉवल ऑफ रिवेंज, ओके। दिस क्वेश्चन कैन बी आस्क्ड लाइक दिस, व्हाट टाइप ऑफ नॉवल इज वुदरिंग हाइट्स? हेथक्लिफ। बी ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट here. Wuthering Heights is written by Emily Bronte. Now question number 16. Who among the following is or are considered Gothic novelist or terror novelist? Okay, जो Gothic novelist हैं या terror novelist, इनमें से कौन है? In the last decade of 18th century England, जो कि 18th century के अंदर, लास्ट डिकेड के अंदर फेमस हुए थे। मैथ्यू लेविस, होरेस वॉलपोल, मैरी शेली एंड or all the above, okay. E option is also given. I am not mentioning E option, okay, because we know most of the answers. So Gothic novel became famous when romanticism was there in England, okay. Gothic novelists were all these three, okay. Matthew Lewis, Horace Walpole, okay, मैरी शेलेस, ये सभी तीनों ही गोथिक नॉवल के लिए फेमस थे बिकॉज दे वांटेड टू टेरराइज देयर रीडर्स, ओके। दे द सीन्स ऑफ देयर नॉवेल्स वर held in different graveyards or different castles, okay. Moreover, some demons were there in their novels, okay. Now question number 17. Match the following novelists with the type of novel they wrote, okay. आपने किस तरह के नॉवल हैं वो किसने लिखे हैं? So our authors are Virginia Woolf, H.G. Wells, Horace Walpole and Jane Austen, okay. Horace Walpole अभी मैंने बताया आपको, he wrote Gothic novels. Jane Austen, she wrote novels of manners, okay, comedy of manner. Then H.G. Wells wrote novels of ideas, and Virginia Woolf is famous for writing novels in stream of consciousness technique, okay. So here in 17, B option is correct, okay. A, Virginia Woolf is famous for stream of consciousness technique novels. H.G. Wells is famous for writing novels of ideas. Horace Walpole wrote C, Gothic novels, and Jane Austen wrote comedy of manners. Now question number 18. Sorry. Who is generally considered as the father of English novel in England? Father of English novel है वो किसे बोला गया है? Samuel Richardson, Henry Fielding, Lawrence Sterne and Tobias Smollett, okay. Father of English novel is Henry Fielding, okay. Henry Fielding, and grandfather you can mention Samuel Richardson. Now B option is correct in 18. Question number 19. Name the novelist who is famous for writing his novels like Robinson Crusoe and Moll Flanders. रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो और मोल फ्लैंडर किसके नॉवल हैं आपको बताना है। फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज सैमुअल रिचर्डसन, सेकंड इज डैनियल डीफो, थर्ड इज लॉरेंस टर्न एंड डी इज टोबियास स्मोलेट, ओके। रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो एंड मोल फ्लैंडर्स आर रिटन बाय डैनियल डीफो, ओके। देयर डेट ऑफ पब्लिकेशन इज आल्सो गिवन 1719 एंड 1722, ओके। मोस्टली हम ये कहते हैं कि सैमुअल रिचर्डसन, पैमिला और वर्च्यू रिवार्डेड इज द फर्स्ट ग्रेट नॉवल इन इंग्लैंड, ओके। रॉबिन्सन क्रूसो एंड मोल फ्लैंडर वर रिटन बिफोर पैमिला और वर्च्यू रिवार्डेड, बट दे वर नॉट actually novel in true sense of the term. Now question number 20. Name the fictional region where Thomas Hardy's novel set. तो टॉमस हार्डी के जो नॉवेल्स हैं जैसे टेस्ट ऑफ डियोरविले है या दूसरे नॉवेल्स हैं जैसे फार फ्रॉम द मैडिंग क्राउड है, द रिटर्न ऑफ नेटिव है, मेयर ऑफ कैस्टरब्रिज है, तो वो कहाँ सेट होते हैं, कौन से रीजन में सेट होते हैं? तो जो रीजनल नॉवलिस्ट हैं, इसके ऊपर मैंने फेमस वीडियो, अपनी वीडियो है वो बनाई हुई है, आप उसको देख सकते हो। क्वेश्चंस होते हैं रीजनल नॉवलिस्ट के ऊपर भी, तो पूरी वीडियो आप उसको देख सकते हैं। हेयर फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज वेसेक्स, सेकंड इज मालगुडी, थर्ड इज गोंडाल, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ इज नॉर्थिंघम। सो this question is very easy. Thomas Hardy's novel set in Wessex. Okay, R.K. Narayan's novel set in Malgudi. Gondal is famous. Gondal was made famous by Bronte's sister, and Nottingham was made famous by D.H. Lawrence. Okay, in 20th, A is the correct answer. Now question number 21. To which age डज चार्ल्स डिकन बिलोंग? चार्ल्स डिकन की एज बतानी है आपको। रोमांटिक एज, ओके, विक्टोरियन एज। रोमांटिक एज इज फ्रॉम 1768 टू 1837, विक्टोरियन एज 1837 टू 1900, मॉडर्न एज फ्रॉम 1900 टू 1940, पोस्ट मॉडर्न एज फ्रॉम 1940 टू 19 up to now. You can write up to now. Okay, 1960 is written wrong by me. Up to present time. Okay, till present. Till present. Till present. So Charles Dickens belongs to Victorian age. Okay, remember Victorian novelist. Other Victorian novelists are Dickens, Bronte sisters, William Thackeray and George Eliot. Important romantic novelist. Okay, those who wrote in romantic age, Jane Austen and Walter Scott. Modern age के जो author हैं D.H. Lawrence, Graham Greene, Virginia Woolf, James Joyce, okay, Joseph Conrad, ये सब मॉडर्न एज के नॉवलिस्ट हैं। और पोस्ट मॉडर्न के तो हम, देर इज ए लॉन्ग लिस्ट। ओके, आई विल नॉट टेल यू दैट लॉन्ग लिस्ट, अदरवाइज यू विल फील अफ्रेड। यस, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 22. व्हेन वॉज जॉर्ज एलियट एडम बीड पब्लिश? जॉर्ज एलियट का एडम बीड है वो कब पब्लिश हुआ था? रिमेंबर, जॉर्ज एलियट is just a pen name of Mary N. Evans. This question is asked in different exams. Okay, dates are like this, years are like this: 1855, 1859, 1860 and 1861. So remember, Adam Bede came in the year 1859. B option is correct here. Now question number 53. Who authored the famous dystopian novel 1984? Okay, 1984, okay, written in 1949. किसका नॉवलिस्ट कौन है यहाँ? किसका नॉवल है? D.H. Lawrence, George Orwell. Okay, George Orwell. His real name was Eric Blair. Okay, Graham Greene or William Golding. Okay, William Golding is famous for The Lord of Lies. Okay, Graham Greene is famous for his novel. His famous novel is The Heart of. Yes, dystopian novel 1984. Okay, it was written to just satirize on totalitarianism. Okay, yes, this novel is written by George Orwell. B option is correct. Now question number 24. Which novel of D.H. Lawrence is based on the theme of Oedipus complex having protagonist Paul Morrell? So Oedipus complex के ऊपर कौन सा नॉवल D.H. Lawrence ने लिखा है? Women in Love, Plume, Serpent, Sons and Lovers, The Rainbow. Okay, The Rainbow. So Oedipus complex theme is there in Sons and Lovers. C option is correct in 24. Next question, question number 25th. Video is a bit long, but I have tried my best to cover all the important questions which can be asked by the examiner in TGT Haryana exam or in other TGT exams conducted by Navodaya Vidyalayas. Okay, conducted for the Navodaya Vidyalayas or just PGT Haryana is also coming in future, very near. Who wrote Jane Eyre? Okay, Jane Eyre किसने लिखा है? चार्लोटी ब्रोंटे, एमिली ब्रोंटे, एन ब्रोंटे और जोसेफ कॉनर्ड. ओके, remember Jane Eyre is written by Charlotte Bronte. Okay, this novel came in the year 1847. Now question number 26. E.M. Forster discusses different elements of a novel in his popular book Aspects of the Novel, which came in the year 1927. Now consider these and tell which are fundamental elements of the novel according to him. ओके, आपने बताना है कि कौन से एलिमेंट्स को उसने डिस्कस किया है E.M. फोस्टर ने अपने एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ द नावल, जो उसकी क्रिटिसिज्म की बुक थी. स्टोरी एंड प्लॉट, सेकंड कैरेक्टर्स, थर्ड प्रोफेसी एंड फैंटेसी, फोर्थ इज पैटर्न एंड रिदम. नाउ आंसर्स आर गिवन लाइक दिस. ओनली वन इज करेक्ट, बी नन इज करेक्ट, सी ऑल इज करेक्ट एंड डी 1, 2 and 3 are correct. Okay, so all these elements were discussed by E.M. Forster in his book Aspects of the Novel. Plot, story, characters. Okay, characters were divided into two types. Okay, flat and round characters. Okay, flat and round character. Remember this question also, very important. Now question number 27. Who wrote famous? Okay, in question number 26, all these elements were discussed by D.H. Lawrence, so C is the correct answer. Now question number 27. Who wrote famous novel Tess of D'Urville, A Pure Woman? Okay, A Pure Woman is subtitle of this work. Okay, Tess of D'Urville. This novel came in the year 1891. Authors are given like this: E.M. Forster, Thomas Hardy, Virginia Woolf, and fourth option Aldous Huxley. Okay, Aldous Huxley. So Tess is written by Thomas Hardy. Okay, last novel by Thomas Hardy, Tess. Okay, B is the correct answer here. Now question number next, 28th. Which pair of novelists does use the stream of consciousness technique in their novels? तो वो कौन सा पेयर नॉवलिस्ट का है जिन्होंने स्ट्रीम ऑफ कॉन्शियसनेस टेक्निक यूज की है? E.M. Forster and Thomas Hardy, Virginia Woolf and James Joyce, D.H. Lawrence and Graham Greene, all the above. Okay, E is also there. So always remember, Virginia Woolf and James Joyce used stream of consciousness technique in their novels. Okay, they try to explore the dreams and fantasies or just different aspirations of their protagonist. Okay, by traveling in their subconscious. In 28th, B is the correct answer. Now question number 29th. Who wrote the famous work Mrs. Dalloway and To the Lighthouse? Mrs. Dalloway came in the year 1925 and To the Lighthouse came in the year 1927. Thomas Hardy, Virginia Woolf, James Joyce, D.H. Lawrence. Okay, Mrs. Dalloway and To the Lighthouse both are stream of consciousness novel, consciousness technique novel, written in the modern age. Okay, and these were written by Virginia Woolf. B is the correct answer in 29th. Now question number 30th. Okay, total 32 questions are there. Who figure in Aldous Huxley's novel Brave New World? Okay, 1932. Brave New World is a dystopian novel. Okay, science fiction. Okay, science fiction भी इसको कहते हैं. Yes, Simon, Mustafa Mond, Piggy, Jack. Always remember Simon, Piggy and Jack, these three characters are there in the novel The Lord of Flies, written by William Golding. Mustafa Mond is there in The Brave New World. Mustafa Mond is the main protagonist of this dystopian novel written by Aldous Huxley. Now question number 31. From where is the title of the novel Vanity Fair taken? जो Vanity Fair टाइटल है वो कहाँ से लिया गया है? ओके, Vanity Fair is written by Thackeray. तो ऑप्शंस आर विलियम शेक्सपियर्स दी टेम्पेस्ट. ओके, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर age of William Shakespeare, Elizabethan age, born in 1564 and he died in 1660. Okay, The Tempest is the last play written by William Shakespeare. Second option is John Bunyan, Pilgrim Process. Okay, C option is okay, I have written wrong here. C option is George Eliot's Jane Eyre. Third option is Charles Dickens' Hard Time. So title of the novel, title of Vanity Fair, Thackeray's novel is taken from John Bunyan's Pilgrim Process. Okay, D option is here, B option is correct here. This option is correct here. This is C. I have to correct it. C. Now 32nd question. Who wrote the novel Vicar of Wakefield in 1761 to 62? Options are Walter Scott, B option is Oscar Wilde, C option is Oliver Goldsmith and D is Daniel Defoe. E option is, if you don't want to mark the answer, you can take D option to save yourself from negative marking. The Vicar of Wakefield is written by Oliver Goldsmith. This novel came in the year 1761. So student, these are 32 most important questions on the topic novel for TGT Haryana which will be conducted in the last week of this month. Okay, I hope my video will help you a lot. Okay, I wish you a success I wish a success for all of you in this exam. Okay, later on I will try to make a video on poetry section also. My 2-3 videos are already there on sonnet and elegy. Already made these videos for TGT Haryana aspirants. Okay, if you like my video, share it with your friends and also write comments. Okay, if you have any problem in your questions or thank you very much for listening me and have a nice day.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets.